Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change monitor refresh rate on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Now to change monitor refresh rate, simply right click on Start button, then go to Settings. Here click on System and here you will find Display option. Click on Display and under Related Settings, you will find Advanced Display. Simply click on Advanced Display and here you will find all your display information. Now to change your monitor refresh rate, simply select your monitor and here you will find all the display information. Now to change, here you will find a choose a refresh rate option. From the drop down menu, simply select your desired monitor refresh rate. Say for example, I want to change to 50 Hz, then simply select 50 Hz, then click on keep changes. So this way you can change monitor refresh rate on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.